Morning guys, it's just approaching 10 o'clock in the morning. Day 4 on the strip out. So let's have a look what we've done and what we're doing at the moment. So we're in the process of knocking down the gable end wall. As you can see, most of it's been ripped out. All this rubbish to move from here, and we bought sacks this morning which are there for the concrete. So we've got Jar and Alberto. I think this is a part of the job they hate, they love, sorry. So we've got a bit of clean up to do once we've knocked this down. And we've got to put a price in to do Elsie and Chris' roof. We've not long done the roof here. But because there's no covering on it, it's starting to rust out. So we'll be finished here today. Hopefully we'll be back next week, removing his roof and installing a new one. See what happens. See if the price is right, as they say. Right guys, that was just a quick update. So back at hours tomorrow, making more tables and benches. And Paquito's been working there on his own. Iranon's been at Graham and Miles. He's been working there with another labourer. He's got quite a lot of work to do there painting wise. So I'll probably do a video from there over the next couple of days. Okay guys, so stay safe. Wear your mask if you have to. Enjoy.